Yo, what's good? It's Rell exclusive. Today I'm going to be showing you a new Twixtor method that is easier and faster than the regular Twixtor. First, you want to motion blur and frame blend your clips. Then you want to hit Ctrl-Shift-C to pre-comp your clips. Then you want to search for Twixtor in the effects, apply it to your clips. Go to your project settings to find the FPS and change it in the Twixtor. You want to change it from speed to frames, and 0 is the first frame. You want to hit U to see the keyframes, then hit O to get to the end of the clip. Hold Ctrl to fine tune the frames until you get the right value. If you didn't get that, run it back until you do. I promise once you get it down, you'll never look back. Hit F9 or right click to easy use keyframes, and make sure your graph is in value and not speed. This is the basic graph I use. It speeds at the start, slows in the middle, and speeds up at the end. For the finishing touches, I add between 0.5 and 1 motion blur compensation. Then I hit the drop down menu, main_background layer settings, and then I up the main background sensitivity to 100. Then all we gotta do is repeat the process and you're golden. If you enjoyed the video and you want more, tap that red button, follow me on Instagram and send me edits to rate.